damage to the vehicle as well as to the men. We suspect that it was a vehicle-bound attack.
So was it a
However, no, it's not confirmed as yet. It's a matter of investigation. All this is a matter of investigation. The Jammu and Kashmir police has taken up the investigation, and we have suffered damage to both men and our vehicles. We will get back.
Zulfikar hasn't given the number of casualties and injured.
At this stage, it's not possible. However, we'll get back to you on that.
So, what is the condition? Injured have been shifted. All injured have been shifted.
All injured have been shifted to the hospital. At the site, we are doing the post-blast analysis. All that is going to take some time. That's all.
Any idea, Mr. Pani, what kind of blast it was? What kind of attack it was?
As it was mentioned by IGCRPF, it's a terror incident. It's a terror incident, and we are looking into to the possibility of what led to this blast. There was a ROP. There was a vehicle convoy which was coming, and it was there is an explosion. And what is the nature of explosion? How it has happened? What led to this explosion? These are all subject of investigation.